I have been using LG SC9S soundbar with my 65-inch LG C5 for more than a year, so I think I can give you a better idea of what it is like to use this soundbar every day. I'm also using LG S40T with my 48-inch LG C5 in my room. So in this video, I'm going to compare the two briefly, show you how each sound modes actually sound, and tell you which mode I personally use. I'm going to skip the unboxing because it is pretty much the same as S40T. If you like to know what you get inside the box, I will leave S40T review in the description. Do check it out. Let's get straight into the sound. LG has designed this soundbar specifically for OLED series TV with features like Wow Orchestra, Wow Interface and Synergy Bracket. Now, compared to S40T, the difference is quite significant. S40T is a 300 watt 2.1 channel soundbar, whereas this one is 400 watts and uses a 3.1.3 channel configuration. The extra center channel is particularly useful for dialogues because voices get their own dedicated channel instead of being mixed into the left and right channels. Take a listen. If you plug a source into either of the Type-C ports or the HDMI port, the monitor automatically detects the signal and switches to that input on its own. So, if I connect my laptop over Type-C or my PlayStation over HDMI, I never have to manually pick the input. You will only need to switch manually if you have got more than one source plugged in at the same time. This soundbar also has 3 up-firing channels, which create cinematic sound experience. The soundbar is 975mm wide, so if you are planning to keep it on a TV cabinet, make sure you actually have enough space. This speaker supports all the premium sound formats you would expect in a high-end speaker. It has Dolby Atmos, Dolby Digital, DTS:X and DTS Digital Surround. When it comes to connectivity, this soundbar has HDMI, USB, Wi-Fi, AirPlay, Chromecast, Google Home, Spotify Connect, and of course Bluetooth 5.0. The remote is also pretty simple. You have the usual volume controls, mute and input selection. There is a dedicated Bluetooth button and you also have a button to cycle through the different sound modes. Then you have navigation and settings buttons. And this soundbar gives you 8 of them. You get Standard, AI Sound Pro, Cinema, Clear Voice Pro, Sports, Music, Game and Bass Blast Plus. So let me go through these and tell you which ones I actually use. First is Standard. This is actually the mode I use almost all the time. It sounds balanced and works well whether I am watching movies, regular TV programs or sports. It just sounds natural. Take a listen. Then you have AI Sound Pro. This mode analyzes the content and automatically adjusts the sound depending on what you are watching. I actually use AI Sound Pro as my default on S40T. But on this soundbar, after trying both, I personally prefer Standard. AI Sound Pro changes the presentation a little too much for my liking, while Standard sounds more natural to my ears. Take a listen.
AI Sound Pro.
Then there is Cinema mode. This one is supposed to make movies sound more immersive, but personally I did not find it to be any better than Standard. Take a listen.
Taters any day.
Just eat what I made you.
Can we at least have tater tots tomorrow?
It was
Clear Voice Pro is interesting. It is designed to make dialogue easier to hear, but I personally felt it suppresses too much of the overall sound and the voices start sounding a little unnatural. Take a listen.
Clear Voice Pro.
Then we have Sports mode. I expected this one to make things like commentary and crowd noise more engaging. But again, I found the sound a little too flat compared to standard. Take a listen.
Sports.
Music mode is actually one of the better ones. If I am specifically listening to music, I prefer this over standard. The sound feels more suited to music and the separation is quite good. Take a listen.
Music.
Then there is game mode. And just like sports mode, I found it a little flat compared to standard. It is not bad, but I did not hear enough of an improvement. Take a listen.
Game.
And finally, Bass Blast Plus. This one is supposed to give you more bass, but honestly, I don't think this soundbar needs it. The subwoofer already delivers plenty of bass, so using this mode does not really add anything. In fact, I prefer the more balanced sound of standard. Take a listen.
Bass Blast Plus.
For me, the biggest strength of this soundbar is that it gives my LG C5 a much bigger and more cinematic sound experience without having to build a full home theater setup. The dedicated center channel makes dialogues clearer, the subwoofer gives you good bass, and the upfiring speakers add a little more height with Dolby Atmos. I turn it on, leave it on standard, and enjoy the TV. And honestly, that is exactly what I want from a soundbar. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and also subscribe if you are not. If you have any questions, please drop a comment. I will be happy to answer them. I will see you on the next one. Until next time, take care.